How's it going, everybody? It's Ryan Esparza. I'm doing the same little camera code thing again, so sorry if it looks dumb. Um, this is my final project, the pitch tracker, basically keeping track of pitches for younger individuals. I'm gonna try and go quick here because this is my fifth time trying this video, and I keep going over because I'm explaining too much. So I'm sorry. Um, Obviously, you can see from what's declared globally in the struct that was already there, like everything's pretty much the same, and even for the main function, I just inputted finally I finally made the functions and inputted them in there, and I took the comments out. I wanted to make it like clean and slick. If I really need to see the comments, I can just go back to previous commits. Like I'm not tripping about it. But you can see, obviously, I tried to make it as clean as it could be. Yeah, whatever. Um, okay, we will go down. Obviously, the character key, display menu, super simple things, right? And you just call to them, right? There's nothing you're passing through them, so those are super simple. Pitches from file, that's basically will run at the beginning of the program, and it's right there to see if there are any pitches that were recorded previously. It will import them, which is nice. Like the seventh inning stretch or something, you gotta go use the bathroom. You can close the program, open it back up, and everything will be there. And I'm not gonna, because I really want to show the functionality. I'll kind of go over. We'll get to this one. This will be the last one we'll go over. View pitches. Shout out to Vincent in the class. I actually got an idea off of him for that. The set width. And displaying how I wanted the pitch log to go. And he gave me an idea, so I appreciate that a lot. And I took that for the view pitches function. So when the program runs, they can view the pitches that they have currently stored. Calculate stats just calculates stats based upon the pitch itself, like a fastball, changeup, two seamer. I really don't want to get in to too much, but you can kind of get an idea, right? And then how we display it and stuff like that, which is pretty nice. And I'll show that when we run it. Sorting, we needed a sorting function, right? You'll need a sorting function, especially when exporting. You want it to export by speed, right? That's what I wanted to do. So you see right here. Did the little if statement, and then exporting data to a text file. Uh, sorry. Um, that just exports all the data to a pitch data report, which breaks it down based on speed, and then we call our sort pitches by speed function right inside. Obviously, you can see. Okay, I'm gonna go quick because I'm already being slow. This function was the death of me. The add new pitch function was the death of me. I learned so much from one function. Mainly, it was just kind of how I would get it started, right? And I kind of knew like the do while was gonna have to be an option, but I just didn't. So many things with like the sentinel value, incorrect inputs, making sure everything's fine. That was a lot of stuff I had to learn. I had, the program would infinitely loop. I had the program not exiting when using the sentinel value. Um, Display things, a lot of logical stuff too, but it was a pain in the butt. This was the toughest function, but we got it done. So I'm gonna get going to running it, right? So let's go. I'm sorry about that. Hopefully it displays here. Yep. Okay, and you'll see success, loaded 3 pitches from pitch log. I'm just gonna try and go quick, right? So we'll do add pitch after. Let's do 2, right? View all pitches. We see what we have in there, right? Boom, chicka-la-la, easy. Let's do calculate statistics. So we only got one fastball in there, but I guess we'll do a fastball. Right, we'll do fastball. I'm so sorry if it's loud. I live on a very busy street. Um, And I want to do fastball. Oh, yes, I'm sorry. Never mind. I'm sorry. It distracted me. Yeah, you see the statistics, they get spit out like that, which is nice, pretty cool to see. And then we hit the sentinel value. Okay, export data, we'll kind of do that we'll do that second to last. And then we'll do add pitch, right? So let's add a pitch. I want to do fastball. Let's say I mess up and I do invalid location. Okay, let's do another location. Okay, pitch result. Let's say it was a home run, right? But I don't have that. No, it'd be a hit, right? Oh, invalid. Okay, enter pitch result. Let's do strike. Um, and then speed 55. And success. Track the fastball at 55. Now it's asking us for again. We'll use X. Get out of there. Now let's do export data. So that will go to the file name. Give me 1 second. I'm so sorry. Pitch data report. I always forget the name. Here, exported, right? And then that will be. Let me see. Let me open this up, right? Because we do it by speed, right? Is it gonna open? Oh, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Okay, well, here you gotta get an idea, right? That guy right there. Boom, chickalaka, sorted by speed. Let's go back. Hopefully you guys can still see me. And then let's do the final option, which is save and exit. Boom, save and exit, close that. And then we can also, I'll do this. It's gonna open over here again. I'm sorry, it's my notepad. And then you see how they are stored. But that is pretty much it for my code. I know I went over a little bit, but I'm sorry. Um, this is currently my entire project, and yeah, thank you guys for paying attention.